First, we got to extract ourselves from our dysfunctional relationship with the rest of the crypto industry. And then we're taking over. The extraction part is, well, the crypto bros are helping us with that, right? They're helping. When we try to explain the difference between a centralized staked token and a decentralized proof of work token, we now have a few better examples, right? I think the meltdown of Terra and the meltdown of Luna and the meltdown of the Wildcat exchanges, the meltdown of FTT, the meltdown of FTX, all of those has put the fragility and the defect in architecture of the crypto industry front and center. The regulators have been rousted out of bed, to go on television to answer questions. Congress has been lit up. You're going to see every agency thinking about this. You're seeing mainstream media writing about this. The Wall Street Journal has got story after story after story after story after story. And unlike writing stories that, well, crypto is like Bitcoin except more energy efficient, that was the story a while ago. The stories now are, well, and you saw it when I was on CNBC, I said, well, BTC is not FTT. And every one of the anchors nodded and said, yeah, you got that right. It's pretty obvious why. So the meltdown of the crypto ecosystem is educating an entire generation of mainstream journalists, mainstream investors, mainstream regulators and policymakers. And they understand that now they have to do something, and the regulation that's going to come is going to stop the scams, it's going to stop the self-dealing, it's going to provide a framework by which people start to understand the difference between an ethical, economically sound, technically sound asset and a fair, equitable, principled approach versus an unethical, uneconomically sound, untechnically sound, unregistered security.